Want to create a professional logo without needing advanced design skills? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a logo in Canva, a simple yet powerful way to build your brand identity. Whether you're starting a business, working on a personal brand, or just exploring your creativity, Canva makes the process easy and enjoyable. Let's get started. Open Canva and search for logo templates in the search bar. You'll see a wide variety of professionally designed options, from minimalist to bold and modern styles. If you already have a theme in mind, type it in, like coffee logo or tech logo, to find templates that fit your niche. Browse through the designs and pick one that captures your brand's personality, then click. Customize this template to start editing. Once you're inside the editor, it's time to make the logo your own. Click on the text boxes to change the wording to your business name or tagline. You can adjust the font style, size, and color to better match your brand's tone. Canva has an extensive font library, so take a moment to experiment and find one that feels right for your vision. Next, enhance your design by adding elements. Click on elements in the left-hand panel to search for icons, shapes, or illustrations that complement your logo. Whether it's a symbol, border, or background accent, Canva's massive library lets you personalize your design with ease. If you want to fine-tune your color scheme, select any element and click on the color tool to choose new shades. Stick to your brand's color palette for consistency and a professional look across all your marketing materials. Once you're happy with how your logo looks, it's time to save it. Click on Share in the top right corner, then choose Download. Select PNG as your file type. It's ideal for clear, high-quality logos, and click Download again. And that's it. You've just created your very own custom logo in Canva. It's quick, simple, and completely customizable, perfect for bringing your brand to life. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Canva tips and design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy designing.